wrong one. Hello. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great morning, night, or afternoon, or whatever time zone you're in. A lot of different. Warmer than last night. They shut the frack down for the cold. Oh, really? Oh, nice, man. Lovely to see. So you finally get a bit of a day off. I know you don't get much days off. Lovely to see, man. Lovely to see. Was it freezing like the other night then? So they had to really shut it down. I like how you still stayed awake though, even though you're home. Are you still working or something, or do you just like?
He's home.
Yeah, I know, but sometimes some people can work from home depending on obviously what job they do. I don't know what work from home you can do with fracking, but 25 Fahrenheit and windy. From what I know, 25 Fahrenheit is low. It's low, and very windy. Damn, man. Yeah, it doesn't sound ideal to be fair. Evening, Fernando. How you doing, bro? How you doing? How's life? How many people you caught so far? I'm sure you probably caught 200 already. Knowing you and your track record, man. Alright, I'm looking at GJ and all the other pairs I currently have, and none of them are really showing any decent opportunities, I can't lie. So we'll try to see how price develops over time throughout the session, although I very much doubt we'll actually get any sort of trades today. So I think what we'll do is potentially just, I don't know, keep analyzing until we find something. And just, if you guys have any questions, obviously, let me know. It's probably a perfect time to start doing Q and like questions, and I'll do answers. Any topic you guys want to discuss, let me know. But as of right now, there's nothing, man. Literally nothing in the chart showing me that there's anything gonna be good. In terms of annoyingness for the last week, for the month though, I did have shorts over here, so I had a perfect entry right on this thing. Yeah, not bad, man, not bad. I'm in low risk GJ buy at the moment. I was looking at buys as well, but GJ is still bearish to me, so I decided not to. This was one of the trades I had on Bitcoin. You can see how the shorts was like, the entry was perfect. I was up 1.25 or something percent. Yeah, you can see there around 1.25, 1.45%. And then this guy decided to reverse, tap me out, and then start reversing once more. Like, my goodness. My goodness. Oh well, happens, right? I am currently in Eurodollar shorts. I did post that on Discord yesterday, so I said I had to sell them. I don't know. It's probably still there. Hold on. Let's look. Sell limit. Here you go. So this is where I said the sell limit was active. The sells was here. Stop loss was way above, so I didn't get tapped out, and plus it was above daily highs. You can see there. And that's exactly the trade I've taken there. So above this daily high, above these highs right here, got entered in right here. Was in a bit of drawdown, let's say like 0.25% drawdown, and then started to sell off from there. Good morning. Well, good morning, good afternoon, James. How's the office so far? So the reason why I took these shorts, okay, and I'll show you guys now, was first of all in the weekly time frame we did have massive. I think I showed this on the live yesterday as well, so if you guys don't remember it, give you guys a quick recap, potentially take something from this trade that you guys want to try and test yourself. So here you go. So first of all, we did have a rejection candle over here. You can see the doji forming as well over there, and I haven't fully backtested it, although there is some truth to it, that if you see a doji over here at a major point, there is a good chance that we do get some sort of reversal to the downside. So that's what I had in mind. The second thing is, once this level was rejected over here, this major level, I decided to look for the next range that it could potentially go into, and it's down here. So now I was bearish on the pair itself. As for the daily time frame, so in the daily time frame, it's the only time frame that was really going against my bias, mostly because it was still bullish at the time. You can see the lows over here, highs over here. However, because it did reject 3 times already the weekly level over here, I did expect some sort of trend shift, if not at the very least some sort of retracement back into the daily lows over here. So that's what I expected, and that's why I was looking for shorts overall. Good morning, Caleb. As for the volume profile, we did have a massive amount of volume over here with a gap above, and this for me acts like a magnet, because this level right here, this and below actually, sorry, this level's right here, they need to be balanced. They need to be retested in order to have a balanced market. So that's why I was targeting those zones as well and was aware of them. Lastly, at the time before I entered, we were overall bearish on the time frame, so on the 4-hour time frame, and then we did retrace, take these highs out over here. Therefore, stop losses was taken for the continuation back down. What more as well, you can see that we created this range over here. Buyers are buying up here. If buyers, the other way around. Sorry. Yeah, well, buyers are going to be up here and sellers over here. So we have a lot of sell side liquidity over here as well. And then if price went down like this one where it broke, if you look at the lower time frame, price broke down below these levels right here, this major level over here. But sellers got activated for a breakout. You can see price tried to hunt their stop losses, which were probably going to be around this zone. That's why I marked it. And then we started to fall back down from there. And lastly, just as an extra confluence, if you have a volume profile from this level to this level, oh, that's not a volume profile, that's a VMAP. If you have a volume profile from this level to around this level, if it loads, you can see that it is overall balanced. So it's actually safer to take sells around these highs over here, and to take buys around these lows over here. And that's why I already taken some partials, by the way, and already moved my stops to break even. Because as soon as price hits this level, I know this is a good buying zone for a lot of people. So I do anticipate some sort of pullback to the upside, if not take me out of break even, potentially even higher still. So yeah, that's my reason. I'm driving. Yo, what are you driving for, man? I mean, I'm not gonna like ask you now. Don't reply now, but bro, driving to the gym or driving home from the gym? Man's taking it a step further. Instead of like going on the stream as soon as he gets home, he goes on the stream before he gets home. The dedication on this man. Give this man.
Indeed, earning driving coming here.
The dedication from this man. You'll hit earlier than a deal most of the time. No, all the time nowadays. So smashing it, man. So that's my explanation for Euro dollar. Yeah, gym to home. Yeah, I thought so. Real dedication. Facts. James, you have real dedication too. My guy's in the office right now while listening to our streams. Probably telling off his bosses and be like, mind your own business. I can watch a stream if I want to.
Because he's boss there.
He is the boss man there.
Yeah. He have too many small boys there and he's the big guy.
Small boys? That's a bit weird.
Yeah.
James, why are you having small boys in your office? That is weird, James. I can't lie. What's happening with that, James? Huh? Explain yourself, bro. I thought you were trying to fight crime. I thought you were fighting crime, bro. This guy's texting. This guy's typing in a chat while driving, bro. You better not. Like, I don't want to get sued. I don't want that in my conscience, my guy. I want you to live, Caleb. I want you to live life to the fullest. Don't chat and drive. That's a madness, though. I thought you were trying to teach us.
So what you think about Cable? What's he gonna do?
What do you mean? Oh, Cable? Oh, bro, I tried to analyze it and there's nothing popping up in my head, I can't lie. Literally nothing in my head right now with no pairs, no nothing that I want to trade at the moment. They're all dead. All dead. The only one, the closest one is pound Aussie dollar over here. So you can see that we did break below this weekly level on pound Aussie dollar right here. You can see the massive finish back down below. We did create some sort of bottom wick over here, which does imply a little bit of bullish momentum. Why is GU called Cable? That is a good question. Why is GU called Cable? Anyone care to answer? Because I actually don't know. I'm going to search it though. I mean, 1 second. Why is GU called Cable? The slang dates from the transatlantic cable that enabled faster communication between London and New York. There you go. Because apparently, when they use cable, me chess. No, I wasn't trying to teach you guys chess at all, man. That was me playing around. Like, if anyone wants to teach you guys chess, it would be what's his name? It would be JP. JP would be teaching you guys chess, not me. I'm learning. I literally just started like literally last week or 2 weeks ago, a few weeks ago. I am normally better than that, but I just couldn't be asked to think yesterday, to be honest. I was just tired. But call it an excuse, call it whatever you want, but yeah, I'm not gonna teach you guys chess. I will never ever be a guru in chess, boys. I've got an elo of like 19. I went down from an elo of 400 or 500 down to 198. That's how big my losing streak in chess is at the moment. I would never teach you guys chess. And bear in mind, I'm pretty sure you only lose like 50 elo per loss, so like... So yeah. So yeah, for euro dollar over here, we did sorry, not euro dollar, pound Aussie dollar over here, we did create this little breakout over here, and we're now anticipating price to fill in the range onto the next bit. But obviously we do want a bit of pullback to enter at a better price, and we are starting to get that now in the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, you burnt all the brain power on trading. I burnt all the brain power for the last month, man. Literally. I've literally just been non-stop grinding, and I've got no right to really complain about that. I know you work hard too, but yeah, I was working out for the past month or so. I'm trying to get loads of things done, so I was like, bro, I'm tired, I'm shattered, I can't lie. But yeah, so we have this high over here, this low over here, and I do have you know, this level in the middle over here, 1.76500 psychological. I do want price to pull back into these levels over here before continuing back down. As long as we don't finish back above this weekly level on the weekly, then yeah. To each their own, man. I get it. Man's tired. That's all it is. But yeah, normally I am better, a little bit better in chess than that. But I was going against a 1.8 like elo, 1.8k elo. So Donny, do you know what I mean? It was a bit unfair. I don't know what your elo is, bro, but yeah, mine's not it. He like tramples me every sense of the word. With Elite Man though, I can hold my own. And he's got, what's your elo, Elite Man?
You mean
your rank?
Chess?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it was like 500 or something, and I can hold my own against him. When I'm actually thinking, I can hold my own against Elite Man. But yeah, that's as far as I can go. 1.76500 over here. As for the 4-hour time frame, I do have the view app up here. Unfortunately, you can see the view app is not really moving up. And again, last time in pound Aussie dollar, it did make me lose a what's it called? A trade. So I think there was a trade up here, but the daily level was up here at the time, and I did miss it because the view app hit it perfectly and started to collapse down. Didn't hit the daily level, so that might be another thing. I don't play rank, but I carry a chess set in the trunk, bro. That's sick. You should play us then. Play me for a bit. Play me for a bit one time. I'm not very good, as you saw, and you'll probably destroy me. Although I'll actually start thinking properly rather than like just doing like whatever move. It's just when you go against JP, it's just a lost hope and it's just a lost cause. So there's no point of really trying, because if you try, it just makes it worse when you lose. That's a very bad mindset to have, people. But yeah, 15 minutes till London. Yeah, I want price to go up to this level up here. We'll wait though. That would obviously currently though it is bullish, like the what's it called? Although is it? No, it's not. It's still bearish. 4 hour is still bearish because the 4 hour actually does line up with the daily. So this is the high of the 4 hour. This is the low of the 4 hour. So we're still overall bullish for bearish for daily and 4 hour, which is good. Let's now see and wait what we can do. So I'll set an alert over here in case it does get hit today, and then it will enter on the actual on live if we can, obviously.
Seems like
James, are you still in your trade? Are you still in your trade, James, or have you been taken out? I'm pretty sure you're still in the trade because you would have waited for this to get swept first and then continue. That should be FTMO done, surely, bro. Keeping that quiet, are you? James now has like 200,000 ZAR. I don't know what the conversion is. But yeah.
So what do you think about gold?
Gold is tough one, man. so gold, like, okay, so with gold I did anticipate price to break above this high, tap all these levels off, and then continue down. However, it did leave me in the dust. You can see that price went down without me, which is fine. It happens sometimes. There has been a 4 hour structure shift though. You can see now the 4 hour from bullish, so the bullish being from this low to this high. We are now from that high to this low. Even better still, it's actually not that high. It's actually around this high right here. So, yeah. So now all we have to wait for, I guess, is a pullback on gold, potentially retest this structure level over here. And then we could start looking for shorts, continued shorts. Unfortunately, we won't get the good entry that I was looking for around this high. We'll have to enter around these 1922, 1920. But it's still decent if you have a small stop loss and looking to target these levels over here. And that's just the first target as well. If you break that, we have major zones on the left as well at 1870. So that's the idea. Although 1950, look at how 1950 was basically tapped almost to a T there. That was beautiful. My overall target, I think I was buying from down here as well, and my overall target was like 1960. We didn't quite reach it, unfortunately. As soon as we failed to reach 1960, I knew they were going to have a drop, and we had a bias shift on gold. And I called this as well on this call, the bias shift, but I just don't know exactly where it is. I think it's gone. Yeah, somewhere around here. Hold on. Goes a long way. By the way, appreciate everyone talking on Discord as well. Like, everyone on Discord talking, bro, it's sick. It just started, like, it's just running itself now. Which is sick. Money. Where is it? Where is it? Buy a switch on gold. There we go. Called it as soon as 1960 failed to reach. As soon as I got tapped out for break even, buy a shift happened. And so on. So, yeah. We'll see if that starts to collapse. Which, by the way, to be fair, all my forecast seems to be working quite well. I think the prophecy. Here we go. So this one, GPUSD, not working too well. I wasn't just sure. I just wasn't sure about this one, but I just posted it anyways, which was a bit dumb. Gold, I mean, it did go down. However, it didn't go to my entry. So yeah, it's a bit 50-50 with that one. Euro dollar did reach exactly my entry, and then we are now at this zone at 1.08500. We'll see if we can continue down. However, I'm already at break even for this euro dollar trade, and I'll show you guys. I've already showed you guys that. Oil actually hit perfect down to 77. I'll show you guys that later now. Dow, I think Dow was around this weekly zone right here. I did actually anticipate this weekly level to be a barrier, but I did anticipate overall that VWAP to be the take profit. But I'll show you guys all that now. Hold on. So euro dollar, where is it? Euro dollar over here. So euro dollar, you can see, as I said, we're at that 1.8400, 1.8500 level. Again, already at break even, secured profits, lovely stuff. We'll see if we can continue down without a problem. Got oil, you can see perfect take profit over here so far. Or perfect forecast wasn't a take profit because I didn't actually trade this. 77.5. I'm still tracking oil, by the way. I'm not actually trading it. I explained this every single stream practically, but I'm not actually full on live trading oil. I'm just tracking it throughout the year and see how accurate I can be with it. And next thing is US 30. So US 30, you can see almost to the pip, right? Almost got there. So from this high over here, almost got it to the pip. I knew this weekly level was going to be a barrier, but got there eventually at 36.75. But yeah, we'll see if that continues a bit lower to tap these levels out. But yeah, decent little forecasting there. Obviously, they're all they don't mean anything because I only caught really one trade out of the 4 that I've put out there. But you know, still decent calls, I would say. But yeah, pretty good. What else? With gold, as I said, there's nothing I can look for at the moment. I mean, as I said, we could end up retesting these levels right here, and then start to go down. But you know, nothing concrete. I would say it's quite a low percentage trade, low success rate trade. So I wouldn't even take it, to be honest.
Probability the morning gonna be quiet.
Yeah. So actually, there is actually no news at the moment for London session, so it might actually be quiet for the entire London session. It might be a little bit boring, so it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, there's literally no trades to be found anywhere with all my pairs, which sucks. because I'm not even anticipating anything to happen, because again, this level, maybe GJ buys, as I said. So it did take Asia. It did take Asia low, I think. Hold on, let me check. Has it even taken Asia low? Has it? No, it hasn't even taken. No, it has. So it's taken Asia low over here. So Asia low is this one. It took it out, and then it started to push up. But again, that wasn't enough for me to really get entered and to get triggered in. There wasn't enough confluence for me to look to the upside potential. There was potential, don't get me wrong, to go to the upside. However, I just saw it as it was a low quality trade for me. I wouldn't have taken it. So there's that. Plus, it was like around 12:30. So I wasn't awake fully. I didn't want to trade that anyways. But yeah, as you can see, there's a session volume profile as well. It's a bit messy, if I do remember. Yeah, it's a little bit messy. It's not fully balanced. It's not a B shape either. It's kind of like a B shape, I guess, but meh, dead. Yeah, dead. Dead day today, to be honest. And normally Tuesday is probably it's normally like the best day of the week, really. Or Tuesday, Wednesday, normally the best days of the week to start trading, but yeah, Monday was a little bit better. Caught the GJ trade paper trade, and I also caught the euro dollar trade yesterday as well, live trade. You know, so it's not bad. Maybe look for crypto. Oh, crypto sells might be a decent one. Well, let's look for an opportunity. Yeah, it's a little sucky, this one. Not much to look at for this one. What we can do is, you guys want to send your charts, send it over either in Discord or on YouTube, and we'll like make a, you know, we'll try analyze or, you know, critique your analysis, if you may. If you want to get that, if you want to do that, then be my guest. That way we have something to do throughout the stream, and make it a little bit more educational as well, rather than just me talking or, you know, trying to entertain. Whereas, yeah, it's not working too well. I'm tired. Don't have the energy to do so, boy. Oh, hello. Oil. Oh, still waiting for this. Do you look at platinum and copper? No, I don't. I don't. Is it? Do you know if it's a good thing to trade? If you do, and I don't think I can trade platinum on my broker, to be honest. All right, let me check on. My phone's about to die. It's quite annoying. Meta. MT5. Let's look at metals. The only metals I can trade are silver US dollar, silver Australian dollar, gold Australian dollar, gold euro, silver euro. I can trade palladium, United States dollar, so palladium dollar, and platinum. Oh, I can trade platinum dollar, but no, I don't trade platinum. No. Although, should we check it? It might be good. What is the platinum symbol? Hold on, let me check. XPT. Oh crap! Didn't want to do that. XPT USD platinum. Let's look at it, boys. Higher time frame. Let's do this together, okay? I've never back tested, you know, platinum. It might be completely different to how other metals move and stuff, so bear with me. All right. So first of all, we have completed the weekly range. Unfortunately, we are at this weekly range at the moment, and we're at the we just came from this high over here. If we continue, if we reject this level, I do anticipate price to pull back into this level of 1040. But if we end up breaking this weekly zone, I wouldn't be surprised if we go into the next level, which is here. I would be a bit wary of this low, obviously, over here. However, it's just an equal low, so it could just be, you know, targeted to even go lower. So we'll wait and see how that happens. Daily time frame. Okay, so for the daily time frame, we do have this high up here. And we have this low over here, and we have this midpoint or this major support resistance over here. If you guys want to see it from a buying perspective, that's what it looks like. 1040 basically. All right. Does it have? Yes, it does have volume. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, VWAP. Okay, so VWAP over here. We do have the VWAP lining up perfectly over here with the daily level, which is nice. Morning, new. Welcome back, welcome back. And we have a little bit of volume, not enough to really consider it anything special, to be honest, but we do have the VWAP right here. So once it pulls back, this will act as resistance, And the daily level also acted as resistance for the continuation back down. Okay, 4 hour time frame. So let me just hide the VWAPs, no longer needed. Where was you yesterday? Bro, news busy, bro. News busy, do you know what I mean? Happens, man. Let me just get this daily. Yeah, so that daily is over there. So
that 4 hour. Busy.
We have this VWAP over here. The VWAP, it does have a high over here. It does line up sort of. Not exactly. So the VWAP, the 4 hour VWAP isn't actually working too well over here. Normally you would have this middle VWAP or this VWAP right here lining up perfectly. But the more this pushes up, I'd imagine the more this pushes up as well against it. So it is. How's your month so far in trading? Are you going back into live now, or have you actually started trading live again? What's going on with that? So yeah. As for the session, so let me just actually hide this, put the SVP on there. I went live last week. Oh, nice. How'd it go? Oh, you smashed a few one, didn't you? Made my bank. Nice. Love to see it, bro. Why are we not surprised, huh? So just chilling, big chilling, bro, big chilling. Yeah, same. To be fair, right now there's actually no trades for me to take. I can't lie. I'm looking at platinum. Chris asked, but biggest lesson I learned is not to chess it. Oh, I thought. Why am I thinking of chess today? Chase it. Okay, got you. It's because the big L I took yesterday, man. But yeah, so we do have a bit of a volume cluster around this zone over here. You can see that POC or point of control set where the majority of traders were looking to trade was around this zone for quite a bit. So I wouldn't be surprised if price is actually magnetized to this zone, but it will act as support or resistance around here. And then we could potentially start to look for the downside move as well. So those are all the confluences I've found so far in platinum for shorts. We'll see if we can actually, you know, what I'll do is actually set a sell limit over here. And then we can go back onto it for the next week. So go for trade panel, sell limit. That's for the VWAP. Where is the VWAP at? Around this level. So I'll put a above 4 hour VWAP or above this structure level. Actually, would be a little bit better. This is the low that we created, and if we break that low, we could go even further still for a 1 to 9. Oh wow, that seems a bit outrageous. Inputs, entry price. Stop loss, take profit. I don't know what that means, so whatever. Profit level. Why is that not working? Here's a sell. Oh, it's buy limit. That's why. There you go, sell limit. And then sell limit. There you go. There we go, boys. We got position paper trading. I do actually want to modify it. Where is? Whatever. We'll keep it like that. One contract. Okay. Cool. Yeah, Eurodollar case. It seems like it's going to respect this. Not going to respect it. So if it doesn't respect this low right here, it continues down further. That'd be beautiful. Because the next stop, we're probably not even going to look at this level. We're not even going to look at these other levels right here on the left. We're probably going to go straight down into these 1.7900. So that'd be beautiful. That's what we're expecting.
London is open.
Oh, London is open. Ding, 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 ding. We need to have a bell, to be fair. We need to have a bell on the on the soundboard.
Yep.
But London's boring though. It's not doing nothing. Let's look at GU. What's the least boring? I guess we can look at Eurodollar since I have a trade on it, so we can actually look at how that is. Yes, yeah, my bias is bearish for EU too. Lovely. If I'm with new, then 100 lot sell, boys. Yeah, I've been holding this trade, to be fair, for a day now, so we'll see what happens here. But no trade on it, bro. I mean, my trade is all the way up here, so like I was calm. You know, I got in at highs practically. The only best level I could have got towards, like the only better trade I could have got was up here, and I wouldn't have got that trade. It was a weekly level, so I could have looked at it and a previous daily level as well. But nah, it wasn't good enough for me because we were still bullish in a daily time frame. I needed a solid confirmation that we were gonna go to the downside, and that solid confirmation was. Oh, by the way, I waited for a break back down below these levels, and I'll try to explain why exactly. So we have this range currently. So we have these lows over here and this high up here. Okay, so that is a current range that we have when going into this trade. Okay, so when I saw this trade, so first of all we create this low over here. So we have two traders looking at this level, this specific level over here. So we have the breakout traders looking to take the breakout as soon as level breaks back down below this, breaks below this zone right here, looking for the continuation to short. We also have the buyers as well over here. So their stop loss is going to be this level as well. But let's focus on the selling, the sellers first, because they're the ones that actually properly got triggered in. So we have sellers over here that got triggered after the breakout of this level. If you were to think of as a retail trader and how a retail trader would think, where'd you put their stop loss? Their stop loss will be obviously anywhere above, but most likely a lot of them, if they're smart enough, they would put their stop loss above like structure highs, structure lows, or whatever. And it's around this level. Okay, so and then around this level as well. What do we have? As I said, we have their stop losses. So let's make this their stop losses over here. And what else do we have as well? Once we break this zone right here, after creating 1 and 2 over here, right? 2 levels. After breaking this level, we have also people looking to break out. Okay, so we have 2 different types of buyers. Why do we have 2 separate types of buyers in this market? So we have the buyers because they're looking to push price up after the break of this structure. Okay, so the breakout traders. We also have the different type of buyers because we have stop losses up here. If these traders are selling, their stop loss will have to be a buy. It would have to be buys, right? So we have loads of buying orders up here because of the stop losses, and we also have loads of buying orders over here because of the breakout traders. Okay, so if that happens, there's now an influx of buyers in this market. So my thought now is, if we can't push any further up, okay, then that means these buyers are weak, and there's not, these buyers are not as aggressive as I thought they would be, even though there's a lot of them. So in this case, when price actually did go back down below this zone as well, so as well, don't forget, we also have the break and retest traders as well, looking to break, retest, buying as well. So we have like actually 3 types of buyers over here. Okay, but since, look at this, the selling over here overpowered these overall buyers, and they were more aggressive. For me, they're obviously in control of the market, right? So at this point, I was looking to short the market as soon as I saw this, and plus, even better as well, we had a 4-hour close below this level, so that was an even better confirmation for me. But that was my idea. That was my idea, and my thoughts going into this trade is the fact that we did actually overpower buyers, and loads of them as well, loads and loads of buyers around this zone. Okay, and then that's why we took the shorts over here. sorry.
It's okay.
What's more as well, we did actually, for anyone that reached price action, the breakout traders, we actually did break below this support created as well with clean traffic to the left as well. If you guys want to look at that as well, I know Elite Man would love to see that type of entry. But that wasn't my main reason. My main reason mostly because, again, we overpowered buyers around this zone, so I was more than happy to take the shorts, and it showed the sellers were in control of the market at the highs. Next thing as well, as I said, the volume profile of this overall volume profile over here, it was actually balanced. Okay, so if we're balanced right now, then again, it's easier. It's actually safer to sell the highs than it is to take breakouts, and it's actually safer to buy the lows than it is to look for breakouts. But I'm not going to take the lows because my overall buy. I'm not going to take the buys because my overall bias is short, so I don't want to get caught in the wrong side. Okay. That was a good entry. Yeah, it was a beautiful entry last night. I think I was on a call with James or something, or a Discord, and I entered. Or might have been a little bit before, a little bit after. I'm not too sure. That's Elite Man bread and butter, bro. It is, man. It is. He was in the gym. See, this is the issue, right? When you go to the gym, you miss so much opportunity. I'm joking.
I know.
I'm joking. I tried James's tactic, by the way. So I ate a little carbs today, before I went running. It was okay. I mean, I can't lie, James, it did help a little, but I feel like this overall will make me I think I don't know, just physical activity tire me out, man.
because you are most of time you're sitting.
Although I will say though, when I had a physical job, I felt more. I felt less tired than I do when I'm working, you know, a computer job. I'll tell you guys now. So like when I'm sitting at a desk, and doing just work on a computer screen, I feel a lot more physically and mentally drained than I do when I was working a more physical job, like, well, what was it? So I did bartending, right? And that's quite a physical. It wasn't a physical intensive job, but it was actually a job where I was moving about and stuff. But yeah, I felt more physically drained when I'm sitting down here. I can't lie.
Well, maybe probably you use more brains if there, so it's tiring you more.
I'm not saying it's harder. I'm not saying it's harder at all. But I'm saying it's,
I know. I mean, it's making you more tired.
Yeah, I think so as well. So when you're not physical, it does make you tired. And I see, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
I worked a normal office job as well, and that also made me tired. I can't stand. I wouldn't be able to like. I can stand a 9 to 5. Don't get me wrong. I could endure it. It's not that hard, but it did make me feel very tired. Also, we're getting that massive short here. Yo, just got to work, bro. Oh, nice. See you in a bit, man. Appreciate you coming along, bro. Enjoy your work. Don't piss Caroline too much, bro. Joking. But I'm staying on for stream. Oh, rate that. Adil would be proud. Adil would be proud. Damn, that EU dropping, indeed. Yes, indeed. Bro, if someone heard that, they'll be like, what are you guys talking about? I'll stay quiet about it then. My lips are sealed. By the way, what does your job entail? Oh, if you can type, obviously don't type if you can't. But what does your job do? What do you do? Like, do you serve or like, what is it? There was an actual entry there. No, there was. Like, there's a breakout entry here for Elite Man that you didn't take. Catering, right? Ah, okay, nice. Rate it. I never got to ask I keep forgetting to ask Adil because we always like go on and on about other things. I never got to ask him, oh, what does your job do? So that's me right for coming on late. Exactly. Now knew that you'll never come on late ever again. Ha. Ever. Because of this. Look at that. Look at that drop, man. Beautiful drop. So why did this happen? Why did this drop happen? To be honest, I have no idea. Does anyone know why this drop happened at this exact time? No clue. Let's look at the actually let's look at 30-minute, 15-minute over here. What's happening? So we did take Asia range over here. Because we took Asia range, there was a high likelihood that we actually continued pushing, especially if your bias was long, but yeah, not bad trade at all. If we start falling back up above, by the way, I'm closing my trade entirely. I'm gonna put my setup in Discord. 2 seconds. Oh, let's see the setup, bro. Let's see the outfit of the day as well. If you guys got uniforms, oh, let's see that real quick. Enigma uniform is gonna be onesies, and I don't care if Adil says no. It will be. It will be onesies, bro. Or at the very least, hoodies. I don't know. One of the others. If he doesn't want a onesie, he'll wear a hoodie.
CJ dropping too.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yay, winning. Wow. Wow, guys. Look at that beautiful madness of a... What? There's no way it's because of these dumbass users, surely. No way. Really? Because of these? I mean, they are quite extreme, to be honest. They anticipated -1 point. Yeah, alright. Well, fair enough. It is Euro. It is German. Discord. Oh, let's check. Let's look at the chat. Oh, Beast. Did he put it on members analysis? There it is. Nice. Look at the setup, bro. Love that. Love that.
Nice.
I love her.
I like your paints there. Behind.
That's not paint. That's beans, isn't it? That's like food. Oh, I see tea over there. I see Tetley, I'm pretty sure, tea over there. That's the setup, bro. That's the one you want,
yeah,
bro.
Maybe I eat food.
Why are you looking at the food anyways? Why are you hungry, bro? We're looking at looking at the stream. We're looking at the setup.
Because usually the back is more interesting what is front.
It's potatoes.
Like
That caught me off guard.
I like what's big picture, not
Yeah.
the small one.
No, it's good. I rate this. So you're just chilling then? You're chilling for it to open and that? What's going on? Also, I think you got the wrong time there. But, oh, you don't. 8:10. You're right. 8:10's right. Yeah, so you can see here, I think German sales right here. Minus 5.3. So they have gone down. That means, yeah, euro should be dropping. Always know where your next meal is coming from. Wait, what?
Indeed.
Okay, yeah. Oh, right. I was like, yeah, bro, he knows. He's ready, man. That's a quick can of that, bro. Bulking season, bro. I think you have enough food there to bulk for the entire lifetime. I don't know actually. No, you eat like 4 eggs a day, like 8 eggs a day. I think you need a little bit more than that. I can't lie. My guy's built different, bro. Nah, it's half a day's worth.
You have already 30 pips down.
It is. Bulking sucks.
Cable is 25.
I just maintain the same way. A deal is probably currently trading. Either he took the L or take a massive W and he's about to come in the stream happy, or a little bit meh. So I don't know which one yet. We'll see. Because it's either a big W or a big L for these types of candles, right? Or he's going to be like, oh, I missed the trade, guys. I missed the trade. Like, oh, I should have taken that trade. I saw that trade coming, but I missed it. It's one of the three. I can't wait for him to join. Should we have a vote on which one it is? Let's have a. I don't know if this is rude to a deal or anything, but let me add a poll. Start a poll. Did a deal trade took a W? There we go, boys. I want you guys to all vote. Let's see what happens. Can't wait for a deal to turn up like, what the hell are you doing? Sabotaging my career. I was looking, but I wasn't zoned in. Oh, bro. Can't be missing these trades, man. After the lesson I gave him last week, surely it would be a W. What lesson? You guys gave him a lesson? You gave him a private lesson without me? Damn, or was I just not listening? I wasn't sure. Caleb says, I think massive W, nice. Chris said he missed it. I think everyone said he missed the trade. Someone said took the L. Who said took the L? Someone's rude, man. You were not in. No, I wasn't. Oh, okay, I wasn't in. Alright. Bro. I was like, you guys taking private lessons? Oh my goodness. I missed out. That is a massive L on my part. Missed out news private tutors. Damn. It's alright. I got Sensei James to teach me about other things. Mostly about coding, hopefully, and that'll be decent. You guys wait. We're gonna release some mad. Oh, I was with my girlfriend, was I? No way. I what's it called? Prioritize her over your teaching. There is absolutely no way I did that in the right state of mind. What was I doing? You with your girlfriend. Oh, right, because he always just, every time I miss something, I'm just with my girlfriend. Yeah, okay, I got you, yeah.
Yep.
Even though she's like an hour and a half away, man.
Like, no, understand about the joke.
Yes, of course. I know. I'm not sorry about it, don't worry, it's calm. Thinking you overslept that day. What, is it? I bet you he's thinking, oh, I bet you they stayed up all night doing the nasty.
Doing nasty thing there.
The only thing we do, bro, is play Apex, alright? That's the only thing we do. We play Apex Legends all night. I can't lie. Fun game, though.
Yeah, like they say. I need it right here.
Yeah, when you find out about a deal, can you post? I will. I'm gonna take a screenshot of the on the votes as well. I can't wait for him to come. It should be finished soon, to be honest. He should be finished trading soon. I don't know how long he's going to take trading, but a deal if you're watching this. Come join the Zoom, man, already. Come on. Bro, someone walks in the staff room. Someone walks in this staff room. It's lights out for me, rip. Bro, don't you have headphones? No, like, don't you have, like, headphones or something, bro? He's done. We don't want you to get fired, bro. You need the money to start trading. Don't get fired now, brother. Just like leave the stream for now. It's pre-recorded anyways. You'll be able to talk. You'll be able to watch it later on. Nah, I gotta let them know. Gotta let them see the hustle. Gotta let them see. Oh, is that right? It's like James, isn't it? When James just watches the stream while he's at work. It's like James. That's the dedication. That you have to understand. Like James actually runs his play. All you gotta do is bench them, and then they'll like do whatever you say. Really, literally, just go on the floor and start benching whoever walks in there, and be like, "Yeah, what now? What are you gonna do about it?" Or squat them, do something. It's like, what are you gonna do? I can bench you. You can't do nothing to me. Someone walks in, tells you off. Yeah, but I'm whammed. Who cares? As you would say, but I'm Sigma though. Who cares, bro? Shut the hell up.
Probably the James was hacking the Kylum, the server, and was shut down the lights.
Oh, that'd be good if James can do that for you. She just hacks the place, turns off the lights before they walk in. Yeah, but he's using a laptop. Surely it'll show. It'll literally bait him out. If anything, it'll literally fully bait him out. Throw a potato at them, yeah, for sure, bro. You got plenty of stock to throw at them, man. You got plenty of potatoes to throw at them, bro. Oh my god. What are you even talking about at this point? Gold is reaching take profit. Sucks, man. That would have been a 1 to 3 if it just went up like 27 pips more, man. Would have been a 1 to 3. A vote is a 50% missed the trade. You guys are very nice. My one. Oh, Caleb's one. Hold on. Let's look at this first.
No, sending something.
Ooh, GG sells. Yeah, nice. What are we looking at here, New?
I think the sister, the green.
Hold on, sorry, 1 second. Resistance is green. I don't even recall why I marked this out, but it looks perfect though. It looks like an order block, maybe on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, the entry point. Yeah, it may be an order block or something, or some sort of fair value gap on the higher time frame somewhere. Maybe 30-minute if I was to guess, really.
Well, it seems like he made here supporter. Now the GJ going up. For me, it seems like. Or Mark. You agree with me?
What?
Sorry. Or what you think?
What? I was thinking it was because of the order block or fair value gap. What do you think?
I mean, the GJ was made the supporter where it is at the moment.
Oh, it is. Yeah, there is a support at the moment. Yeah, we're just looking to see whether it breaks or whatever. Really. Let's look at it on my angle over here. So yeah, there is some sort of support on the 15-minute. I'm pretty sure. Oh, we're past that now. Get into it. If you're talking about my setup, so I have a custom PC. If you're asking about mine. Yeah, custom PC. Custom build. Do I need something? So let me be honest with you guys, by the way, when it comes to like trading, you actually don't need a nice setup for trading. I can't lie to you. You really don't. I normally use my laptop for trading because it's more convenient. If I want to go like somewhere else, I can just take my laptop with me and go. Obviously, I can put everything in the cloud and whatnot, right? But it's still a bit more portable. I literally just like, if I'm currently working and got to head out, all right, cool. I'll take my laptop and my iPad, run out and do something. Rather than being sat at home all the time with just like a bulky PC. What I actually want to do once true. Have you seen my work one? My work one. LMAO. I haven't seen your setup. Although Adil said you had a decent setup from what I know. Anyone trade SMP? No, but we can look at it. US 500. Oh goddamn! You push down. All right, cool. What was my latest SMP one? Let's find out. Let's see if I actually got it right or not. And I just disregarded it. Don't look at it. Why is it bad? Here we go. Did I get this right? So US 500. When was it? November 2020. Let's look at that. Think we're gonna trade in a range for a whole year now. I reckon we're dropping, to be honest. I can't lie. I looked at it last time, and my latest bias is downside. So we were around November 5 something. We're expecting 3,800 to be tapped all the way down to 4,000, all the way up to 4,120. Okay, cool. So let's go back into time. November 2022. What month is November? Is it 11? It is 11. Like 1. Okay. That didn't work, did it? Did I mess up? Hold on. 11:01. There we go. Okay. Where are you at? Oh, November 11. So what did oh, it did push up. Hold on. So let's see. 3,800, right? Around what? Around November. Hold on. Where is it? Where's my so 3,800 from around, yeah, that level. Okay, so just before November or on November. We went past it a little, but we did reach that target overall. Nice. Nice, that was pretty good call, I would say. I mean, pretty crappy, but overall decent. Oh, how about this one? SMP. Nothing to look at. Nice. The prophecy over here. This one. The other one I was looking at on higher time frame is GJ. Oh, okay. Hold on. First of all, let's actually look at SMP as a whole to see whether I agree with New or not. I mean, to be fair, we are currently in a range right now in the weekly time frame. You think a whole year of ranging? Like, in what case? Like, how 2 months? How? Like, from this high to this high, this high to this low. I think you're talking about this, potentially, here. That could happen. It's a big range, though. Oh, to be fair, look at that. You're right, it is... Yeah, you're right. Let's look at... Oh, first of all, let's look at how much profit we're up in the moment. It did push up a little bit, which I'm not a fan of, but... At its peak, almost a 1 to 2. Right now, 1 to 1.5. Not bad. GJ... Ooh, GJ has just rejected that level. It did not want to push down any further. Yeah, this is unclear, right? Right now, it's literally... I think this is the most unclear market I've traded this year. We're getting close to that 1.80 level that I'm trying to see. That I can see obviously over here, and then even further down potentially, but I will be taking profits around this zone right here because it's daily level. Daily rejection. There's a good chance it obviously rejects from a significant daily low and continue up, so that's what I'll be looking to take profits from. Why'd you ask, by the way, Chris? Why'd you ask what type of setup we have, or I have, or whoever the question was for? You're looking to upgrade your setup. But once my laptop breaks, though, to be fair, I think I'm going fully Apple because everything just would be integrated into one system. It'd be pretty cool. And then getting a Mac Mini or something instead of having a desktop. I'll keep my desktop for gaming. Obviously, you can't stop that. But for work, I think I'll be fully Mac and stuff. Especially in the office, it'll be easy to move around. I was thinking about getting a laptop for trading when I get started. Yeah, for sure, man. I think a laptop, even like a starter laptop, like a cheap laptop, £200-300 laptop is more than plenty, especially for trading. Especially if you're just looking to get started as well. Like it's when it comes to a business, right? It's best to obviously start making the money first before you start properly investing into like equipment and all them. And prove to yourself first that like do a lot of moving, then yeah, a laptop is key, major key. But yeah, the best thing to do is obviously prove to yourself first that you actually want to do this for a living, because you could get started, buy a whole setup, and realize actually, you know what, I don't actually want to start trading. It's not actually for me. It's just like, oh, what do I do with all the equipment? But if you go for a laptop, like a 200, 300 pound laptop first, it's plenty. All you have to do is go into the charts. It may lag a little bit when you're doing high intensive, like, you know, if not high intensive, but if you're doing a lot of back testing, it might start to lag a little. But if you can deal with it, that's fine, man. As long as you're not like some spoiled child, like, oh, I missed one frame, it's not working properly. Nah, you just have a decent laptop. Those HP Pavilion works quite well, I would say. And then once you obviously start making the money, you can ball out if you really want to for a nice setup, Mac Pro or something.
Or while you're working, you can buy for your PC or something.
Yes, but as I said, PC. I mean, if you really want to get stuck in one, if you're planning to get stuck in one place, like a home office or some place in your house where you have some place to work, a PC is not a bad idea. But for me, if you have like a dual monitor, like if you have two monitors, all you have to do is just like plug those two monitors into your laptop. You have a double monitor setup, you're fine. You can even buy one monitor, use the laptop monitor as well, still have a dual monitor. I think a laptop's just so much more beneficial than a PC. Unless you're planning to use it for games, or maybe like, I don't know, coding if you want to, or proper like loads of data, you know, testing, then I would recommend either a better laptop or a okay PC. But nah, you really don't need a mad setup for trading, especially for retail.
I will say, like I do, the PC and its main, like if I travel, I take laptop with me. Before that, I get settings like I have in PC, or I just gonna check if my settings are like PC. So then.
But you don't think you can use a laptop for at-home work at all?
Well, I don't know, PC is a little better, like big screen.
You can plug your screen in your laptop.
I know.
That's what I mean. That's why I don't think a PC, unless you're planning to do like coding, gaming, and whatnot, then yeah, get a PC. But if you're literally just planning to do full work, if anything, it's probably a little better because you don't get distracted from all the other things you can do with your PC. For example, like with mine, if I'm working all the time with my PC, I would start to like get a bit tempted and start playing a bit of games, playing a bit of, you know, Overwatch, Valorant, or whatever. But because I'm playing on my laptop and my laptop can't run these things, I'm not tempted to do so. So I'm more focused on the actual doing work. That's my tip and trick when it comes to it. And then like for, you know, screen real estate, again, just plug in an extra monitor, or you know, I guess splurge on like an ultra wide if you want to have a massive monitor, I guess, if you want, but not necessary.
Well, I have the game in PC, but usually in work days I don't play. Only weekends. Oh, okay, free day I'm gonna play maybe.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a lie because I see you on Discord playing all the time. What are you talking about? I don't play on the weekdays. Yeah, I saw you last night, brother, playing Victoria or whatever it's called.
Yesterday, last night I did play last night.
Nah, but I see you all the time playing though. You can't lie. I see you playing all the time.
Nah.
Bro,
last time I played was EU4.
Maybe, I don't know. I saw you playing at one point very recently. It wasn't the weekend.
No, don't come to lie to me.
I will screenshot every single time that you play, okay? And it shows up on Discord. You can't lie. You can't hide from it. It literally shows you on Discord when you're playing games.
I know it's showing, but yesterday I didn't play.
Okay, maybe not yesterday.
What?
But
yeah.
You can't say that it wasn't. Oh, I don't play during the weekdays. Yeah, bro, you play all the time.
I don't play all.
Instead of back testing, this guy just wants to play. I'm like, what's going on? Instead of journaling and, you know, focusing on the strat, bro, this guy wants to play. That's alright. If that's you, that's you, bro. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna shame you for it, although a bit disappointed, really. Nah, I'm joking.
But
to each their own.
But still, in workday I don't play. The weekends I play.
Again, that's a lie. Because you play on work days, bro. You play on work days.
Well, I'm not like you who play in work days.
What? Literally,
yeah?
I literally see you working in work days, bro. Not testing when he's Bro, he's back game. Yeah. He's testing his games more than his strategy, bro. What the hell is this? Nah, but you know, if that's you, that's you. That's all I'm saying. If that's you, that's you. I don't play on what, bro. I haven't touched a controller in like 7 months, bro. Like you can relax.
Well, I don't have controller, so
I haven't touched a keyboard and mouse for gaming in months. In months. Last time I played was with the boys. I played CS:GO with Marcus and James, and that was the last time I played. And before that, I haven't even played for months as well. So there you go. I don't play. We don't play around in Enigma, bro. We work. We hustle. We grind.
yeah.
But nah, it's joke. It's jokes.
Well, you play chess, so.
I play chess.
Yeah, it's two playing.
Yeah, I guess so. You're right. You're right. I do play chess sometimes. Clearly not enough. Enough. Suck at it, but you know, it is what it is. Not testing when he's back testing. I don't get that. Not back testing when he's back gaming. What? Chris, you good? You good, bro?
Me back testing, not back gaming.
Yeah, it should be. That's what you should be doing, bro. Whoa! New, what is this? What is this, New? Get this trend line out of my face. What is this? What's these chopsticks looking, bro? See the bottom wick? Yeah, I see the bottom wick. Yeah.
It's time to eat noodles.
Yeah, bro. What is this, man? Hey. Whoa. Yes, we have people spamming. Love that. Big Appy. What's that? Baby Doge. What you need to know. I don't know. I don't get it. I think he's trying to like advertise. Maybe.
I think
maybe. Yep. Oh, sorry. Go right at the bottom. Hold on. 50% of that wick. So this one, 50% of the wick is the body. You say. So what are you trying to say? Of the initial up move. Oh, is it? No. Is it? No. Wow. No. Okay, you need to explain.
Go on, no. Explain us.
Yeah.
We aren't so smart like you.
If you write to the start, if you go right to the start a few years back, this one right here, 2020, around that level, right? The start. You say this is the very start, okay?
You read in March 20.
That red candle, March 20.
Minky 2020.
So yeah. This is, yeah. So this will be around 2 months. So it'll be a start here then. You're right, around one of these two.
Next candle. Bottom week.
Yeah.
25 week too.
So this one right here, where it's about 50% of the bottom wick. Okay. Like this, it's 50%. Are you saying this is the 50% of the bottom wick as well? So you're expecting another rally to the upside? Is that what you're saying? Is that what I'm trying to get at? Is that what you're trying to get at here? Yes. Okay. Fair enough. See, I understand strategy. Do you know what I mean? I know what strategy looks like when I see it. And
yep.
You just need to spell it out for me. So yeah. Oh, you think? Oh, that's already done. You said. I mean, obviously it's retested. You don't think another rally like this will happen, like throughout the year? Just reading price action. Makes sense. Who would have thought to think of that? Do you know what I mean? Who would have even? Well, I can't say that. I can. I'll tell you exactly what will happen here. Nah, jokes. I don't know if anyone remember when we played the game when me and Adil would guess the next candle, next move of the candle. See, I smashed that. I don't know if you guys remember, but shall we try that again? Let's try it if I've lost my intuition or still have it. Let's go with gold. Let's go on the weekly. I'm gonna go like this, so I don't know exactly where price is. Is that looks fair, right? That's fair enough. I don't know exactly where price is gonna be headed. Okay, so I'm gonna go. First of all, is this my main one or is it my back test one? So I can actually just delete everything. So it's not cheating. Remove 7 drawings. Okay, cool. Boom. Nah, that's not fair. How's it not fair? How can I see exactly where price is headed, bro? Pick a random chart. Okay. I haven't tested it, but okay. XPTUSD. We'll go platinum. We'll test platinum out, bro. Gold bean bullish. Okay, fine. I don't know what this one is. I need to get another chart because I've got So if you guys don't know what we're trying to do right now, well, oh crap, don't want to do that. Done. What we're trying to do is basically, if I can predict the next candle, the next move or whatnot, literally just using intuition and no, basically, you know, no explanations and just, okay. It always starts off with a crappy move. Okay, so first of all, I do expect it to fill in this range right here, into this 1079. Let's see. Oh god. I always get so scared because the pressure is always so high. Because if I get it wrong, then everyone's like, oh, you're such a crap trader or whatever. But anyways, we'll continue. There we go. Fill in the range. Okay, good stuff. Good start, boys. Good start. Good start. Okay, now give me a few candles to like see where the hell price is going. Okay, cool. Okay, for this one now, I do anticipate price to reach down here and have some sort of reaction, potentially retesting these zones. So kind of like this. Yeah, like this. And then this, like little something like that. But oh, we'll see. Obviously, it's a weekly time frame, so it'll probably just be one candle. But anyways, let's look. Oh. No. Ah, okay, that's an L. Oh no, that's an L. That is a massive L. God. I went like 5 for 5, 6 for 6 last time. Now I bloody made the mistake straight away. Jesus.
You think it's going down?
No, not yet. Hold on, let's see. It's probably gonna pull back a little. It's probably gonna pull back until like, let's say until this zone right here. I'm being as specific as I can, by the way, so no hate. Okay, and then we start reaching that level.
Oh. Too fast.
So basically, what I want, basically like a retest of these sorts of levels over here, and then starts to rally back up again. That's what I want to see.
Seems like it's going up.
Yeah, that looks good. Oh god, it didn't even pull back. Oh my god, I got the target right, but didn't even play pull back, bro. I would want to see a rejection from there too, but whatever. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. Whatever. I got the target right. Alright, we're going to start reversing a little bit, boys. We're going to the next weekly level over here. Unless Platinum has actually been so bullish, we're going to see it pull back to 112.
I think you're gonna touch the.
There it is. That counts.
Yeah.
That counts. I don't care if you guys think we broke the eye. Screw you. This is harder than it looks. Okay, this is harder. This is way harder than it looks. Next thing is I do want price to pull back into these sorts of zones right here, and then potentially starts to go back up again. Plenty of pips in that. Yeah, plenty. There we go. Pull back. There we go, and then start to rally back. Look how perfect that level is. And then we didn't pull back. God damn. Got the rejection right, bro. I got the rejection right. Okay, whatever. We'll move on to the next one. Oh god. What does this teach you, boys? It teaches you that gambling has some merit.
It's going back up, seems like.
Nah, screw you, nah. So what's gonna happen now is it's not gonna pull back up, it's gonna go straight down into this zone right here. See, gambling and intuition has merit. There you go, exactly. And the next thing you need to guys find out is never listen to elite man's calls ever. Never do it, because you could see there 1 for 1 he absolutely like he fumbled the bag basically, right? Okay, next thing is we do have some sort of free traffic over here, but I'm not gonna do that. I think we're just gonna go down to this zone and potentially start reverse, to be honest. Not reversing, not. Oh my, bro. How good is he? How good is he? Do you know what I mean? It's like he's read this chart before. It's like he's done this chart before.
Who?
Me. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Someone stop him. He's too good. He's too good, boys. Okay, we broke the level now. Okay, so now what can we expect? Now we've broken the level. Now we can start to look down. Now this is the way to trade, bro. I'm telling you, if I did this trade, I'd be winning. I can't lie. If I had like, this is me right here. This is my element. Just gambling. We're going down to the zone now. The only difference with me is nowadays is if I'm unsure. Yeah.
Shit, I want to do backtest like this.
If you want to backtest like this, I wouldn't. I just stay away until I can see it clearly. Well, yeah, but right now I'm kind of forced to to tell you guys exactly to what I think will happen, or else it'll be a cop out, isn't it? But yeah, we're getting close. God, a bit of an L there, a bit of a slight L. I mean, we make it eventually, but it wasn't a clean candle, unfortunately. We made it eventually, but do you know what I mean? It happens. We got the target right. We haven't got it completely wrong yet, unless the second one, I think. But anyways, this is a fun game, by the way. Stick or twist.
Indeed.
Okay, next one. I think we are going to get some sort of rejection around potentially this zone. But I'm going to mark out the zone that I think I'm going to get rejection of, because I think it's not fair if it's just a level. But yeah, around this zone right here, if not a little bit lower, we're going to see some sort of rejections, and we're probably going to go back up to this zone and reject this zone right here. Let's see.
Or it's going to break it. I'm going to break it.
Okay, well, he just went against me, didn't he?
Yeah.
He just went like, well, if it doesn't work out, I'll look good, so... Nah, jokes.
Because the
Good
third
call,
sell
good call.
candle was almost no,
Yeah,
so
good call, good call.
anticipated was
Good call.
sell. I'm going to know.
Yeah, that was a beautiful call. Also, Adil's not here yet. What's going on? What's going on, man? It's 9 o'clock. He's still not here.
I think he crying because he was too big loose.
Someone at him on Discord. At him on Discord. Adil, where you at, bro?
Or he's sleeping.
Nah, there's no way he's sleeping. If he overslept, he's gonna still do squats. Are you hitting 1.08? Oh, why am I playing around? I have a trade. There you go, boys. That's the limit of my intuition. What do you guys think? What's your thoughts? Is it impressive? Did I flop? What do you think?
Why did we miss that? We'll
What?
still play game.
The what?
Why you didn't continue play?
Sorry.
It was fun.
That was fun. Thank you. It was fun. I didn't hear it. Sorry. I was looking at my EU trade right now. It's hitting 1.08. We are at that zone. Just need to wake up 10 minutes earlier. No. You just had to wake up like an hour earlier. That way you can get ready, get mentally prepared for what's to come, or get mentally prepared to miss this trade. I reckon, you know what? I reckon if you actually entered this trade, because of your lot size, what would have happened is the market makers would have targeted it and went against you. Just because of your sheer presence in the market, it would have done that. And therefore, I would have lost this trade. So I appreciate you for missing it and taking one for the team. I really do appreciate it, Nu. You know, I can't thank you enough. I needed this win. I honestly did. I'm going to hold this trade till February 1st, by the way, just so I can say I won on the first day of Feb. 0.01 lot. Now my lot size for this one was 1.5. There you go. If you want to calculate how much I made, whoa. It was low risk as well. It was low risk. It was a low risk trade, so well, still is. You guys can calculate however you want. Oh, look at that. Target would have hit on gold, and I'm going to be crying about it all the way tonight. I can't lie. Euro dollar still not in it, so it's calm. Intuition is very important in a market, boys. Or, don't know. It depends how good your intuition is, I guess. Okay, let's end the trade. So far, we only, I think one person said a deal took an L. I don't know who it is, but I'm guessing it's either New or Elite Man. I don't know which one, but it's one of them two for sure. New, I think, must have been nice today and said missed a trade. I think Elite Man said he took an L. That's my guess. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then everyone else took the W. Like Caleb said W. Everyone else said W. Yeah, he was elite, man. It was. Yeah, he's a hater
Indeed.
because he missed
It was
his trade
me.
as well. He's like, oh, you know what? If I missed the trade, then he lost. He's a big hater, bro. A massive hater. That's fine. That's fine. You can be a hater, bro.
Well, I missed the trade.
Yeah.
I didn't lose.
You
Well,
didn't
you
lose,
can
no.
say I lose because I wasn't in trade.
No, that's not the case, bro. It's not every day is a trading day, man. Not every day is a trading day. If every day was a trading day, I'd lose my mind. I actually would. Imagine being in a stressful situation every single day of your life. Nah, not me, not me. I don't want to be in that. Do you know what I mean? Who watched the Raja podcast? Oh, with Riz?
I was.
With the Rizzler.
Yep.
The Riz master. Riz himself. Every day is not a trading day. Oh, I didn't got it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess we have the same point of view on that. But now I'm starting to change my mind now. Ugh. I don't agree with Raja. No, jokes. I agree with him. Completely with that. Just a big Raja hater, innit? Massive Raja hater.
You are.
I am. I really am. I don't know what it is about his strategy and the way he does. I just don't like it. I don't know what it is. I can't even pinpoint. I can't even give it a reason. That's why it's not a valid hate. But like, I didn't watch it. I'm guessing Elite Man, you did.
Yes.
Yeah, it was apparently good. Apparently, it was good. I think he said no to smart money, even though he's talking to a smart money trader in front of him. I was like, balls, bro, balls. Fair enough.
Well, they was talking more about the history, like he was becoming the and how the everything was
It is on
evolving.
YouTube. Yeah. So what did he say about smart money in the end? Did he say like I don't agree with it because he lost millions of views? Not million. I saw views. Millions, like hundreds of thousands. Is that why? Did he say he's tried smart money before? Or yes or no?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Oh, okay. Well, very useful podcast.
You should watch yourself then.
Yeah, I will watch it. Yeah, for sure. I just wanted to get a heads up, innit? In case I get triggered. Like, oh, what do you
Well,
mean?
we can spoil you.
What?
Well, I already did a little bit, but yeah.
Yeah. He got views. I think with any strat, you just need to find an edge and what works for you. No, for sure. I don't know, it just seems so simplistic. I don't know. I just don't like it. Maybe it's because I feel a bit triggered that I've done such a complex way of trading. Meanwhile, he's making money while he's like he's just drawing two lines and saying, yeah, it's gonna break here, so I'm gonna take a sell. Maybe that's why I'm a little bit salty. Maybe he found a way so simplistic. It works for him. Meanwhile, I had to like go all like a roundabout way to get to almost like, you know, the same probability stage. Not the same amount of money. I wouldn't say I haven't made the same amount of money as trading as him. Nowhere near. I also haven't sold anything, but besides the point. But yeah.
Well, today what he called what his strategy was working. Like I was anticipating it would be go sell, and like you see, it was dropping.
Yeah. We all trade to get away from a 9 to 5. True. Although again, yeah, so you may as well enjoy it. That's true. No, that's facts. I get your point. As in enjoy it as in like outside of trading, or enjoy the way you're trading. What do you mean by that? Because the way I interpreted it, I agreed. And I agree with both interpretation, but yeah. Oh, look at that, the dropping. It's just for me, right? If institutions and banks like struggling, some institutions struggle to make money, right? Meanwhile, I'm just saying, some guy on the internet drawing two lines, making like 200% in 3 weeks, or like more than that actually. What did he make? Like 17% in 3 months with his smart Roger concept thing. It's a little bit suspicious because if that was the case, then everyone would be doing the same thing. All the banks were doing the exact same thing, wouldn't they? They'd be making bank after bank. They wouldn't be investing in AI. They wouldn't be investing in high frequency trading bots. They wouldn't be investing in smart trading, smart people. They wouldn't do any of that. They would just get a random person, tell them draw these two lines and have the best time of your life. Make 200%, take commissions home, win life, baby. But it does. I don't know. I just don't think it works like that. I just don't.
Well, I think the banks wanna get more money, so they wanna.
They want to make more than
find the best
17,000%.
strategy, what is 100% and what make all the time money.
They want to make more than 17,000% in 3 months. Banks have huge amounts. Yeah, I know they can't trade exactly the same as retail trade. I understand that. They can't just enter whenever they want because they have to keep in mind liquidity and so on. But yeah, to trade imagine a human with emotions. No, but again, that money doesn't mean anything to the people trading it because it's not their money. Do you know what I mean? They're not. Yeah, I don't know because it's not their money. It's the bank's money. It's not theirs. If it was their money, then so yes, fair enough. Yeah, it'll take a lot of convincing for me to execute a 200, 500 lot trade, but in their case, I don't know. But it's their job. Yeah, true. Nah, I mean, I suppose. But yeah, I don't know. For me, it's like, I don't know. It's just hard to. It's hard to see that as reality. Obviously, I've seen it happen. Roger Banks is obviously profitable. Don't get me wrong. He's clearly doing well for himself. So clearly it works. But for me, I just find it so hard to just believe, even though I see it. That's the mad thing, isn't it? I see it in front of me, but it's still hard to believe. Again, biggest hater for no reason at all. If Enigma becomes eventually big and Roger finds this video after the fact, starts beefing me, you know what? It's alright. It took time for me to find a lot size that I can accept now. I mean, to be fair, there's no lot size specifically, but I think it's just a percentage for me. Percentage-wise, that's the only thing that is. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. Again, all the Roger Bank lovers and Roger Bank strategy users, apologies, especially for Elite Man. Don't want to rinse your strategy. I just find it unbelievable for it to be fully working. How well does it work for you? That's my question. Obviously, don't answer it in stream.
For me.
Don't answer it in stream if you don't want to, but that's what I mean. I want to ask all the Roger traders and be like, okay, so how does it work for you? Are you as rich as him yet? Even though you've been using the same strategy for just as long as he has. No? Okay, but why is that the case? Do you know what I mean?
Well, like you see, I was now possibly the gold going drop if he gonna break around. Okay, I mean, oh fuck, never mind.
All right, no. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this.
Fucked up.
Yeah. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go on GJ because you trade GJ, right? You trade
Yep.
GJ. Okay, cool. All right. What we're gonna do is, what time do you only use one time frame? How many time frames do you use?
Well, 15, 30 mostly.
Okay,
I'm
15,
using.
30. Okay, cool. So I'm going to delete all of this. And what we'll do is backtest your strategy live right now and tell me exactly where you would draw the lines and whatnot, okay? So what I'll do is go back over here. And then go all the way back. And then what I'll do is go over here. Boom. And then 30 minutes. By the way, if you guys want me to... Oh, crap. I didn't go as far. I forgot. If you guys want me to, backtest my strategy live as well, so, like, it's fair, I'll do that too. I don't want to be like that guy, just, don't put Elite Man on the spot. I'll put myself on the spot as well, don't worry. Okay, cool. Alright, 30-minute and 15-minute, right?
Yep.
Cool, so what I'm going to do is share my screen on Zoom, and then, do you see this? Do you see the?
No.
No, sorry. Do you on YouTube? Do you see it? So what you want to do is you see
in YouTube, I see. Yep.
On the share screen bit. Where is it? When I share my screen, there will be something over here on the top bottom left where it says annotate. There'll be like a little pencil. I want you to click on that, and you can draw lines from there. Tell me when to go forward, when to go back, and whatnot. Okay, cool. Okay. All right. So it should be in the bottom left of your screen to annotate. If not,
I see now. Yeah.
Cool. Alright, tell me what exactly level, scroll up, scroll down, whatever. Okay, this is a taste of how Elite Man strategy works. First of all, I straight away see support resistance, right? Clean candles to the left. You should be taking the buys to the upside all the way here. Am I right? But carry on. You do you. You
Yeah,
draw lines.
but-
You draw lines, and then I'll tell me to go forward and that. Okay.
Okay. Well, I like so. Yeah.
Oh, there's like a box thing. You can use a box instead. So if you right click on it, it will show you the box option. Just use a box instead of a line. Yeah. Use a right click and use a box instead. It'll be easier for you.
Yeah.
Do you only enter certain times? To be fair, this is London. This is like New York session though, isn't it? Like around New York. So we'll take that into account as well. We'll take that into account. This is just a warm up, let's say. Like I'm talking about like this hold on, this box right here. I'm guessing you're talking about this box. I'm talking about this box and this box. I'm guessing this is what you're looking at, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, what you expect now?
Well, I'm waiting if it's going to break this line. Yeah.
Yeah. And then
then I'm waiting. So if you're gonna close below,
okay.
so I'm waiting small wick to down.
Okay.
And
okay,
so
cool. Okay, so I'll go forward. I'll go forward 1 second. Let me just get rid of that one. Okay, I'll go forward. It doesn't. Okay, so no trade, right? No trade yet.
Right.
No trade yet.
Yeah.
Okay, now we break above. But it didn't close. It didn't close above. So is that valid or
still no?
Still no trade. Got you. Okay. Good call. Now?
No.
No. Okay. But it did break above though. But anyways, it's fine. It's your trade. But great call anyways. There we go. Okay, now still no.
No.
Still no. At this point, it's at 9 o'clock. You're not going to enter at this time. What time?
No.
What time do you normally enter at? Oh, sorry, this is UTC 5. Let's look at London. What time zone you on?
Got the plus 3. I think it will be at moment.
3 plus 3.
Yeah. What's the Athena or Riga? Tallinn. Tallinn.
Okay, cool. Okay. Alright, I didn't know there was actually more than that amount of time zones, I can't lie. I didn't know there was more time zones. Okay, cool. Alright, we're at now 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, so we skip ahead. What time do you normally enter?
Pre-London.
So
enter London.
6 or 7 o'clock?
Yeah, something there, yeah. Start.
Around this time, okay, cool. So, now, analyze it for me. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to be? Nothing yet? Or keep going?
Nothing.
Keep going, okay, keep going. So I'm just going to tell me to stop going forward, okay?
Stop.
Okay, cool. Nothing yet?
No.
Okay. Go a little bit forward.
Oh.
He would have bought that as well, by the way. It broke back into the range. Like, what? Roger Banks would have broke it? Do you want to join the Zoom call without having... You don't have to talk. You can just, like, annotate. No? Do you want to join the Zoom call as well? So you can do the annotation too. Don't have to talk. Just do the annotation if you want. If not, don't worry about it. Okay, so we have created resistance. Okay, cool. We have created resistance.
Possible... It was breaking this, then it would be possible around here.
Right. Okay. Oh, okay.
But like you see, it's making.
Yes. Okay. So you would have taken a buy there.
But it was a buy, but it's risky because the resistor is too close.
Okay.
So like it will be some pips.
It would only be 7 pips or so. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so it's like no point to enter.
Right. Okay. Cool.
But it's like possible.
Right. If you wanted to be risky, then you would take that buy. That buy. Okay. Cool. Let's move on. Do you still trade this time? This is around like what, 3 o'clock your time?
Probably not.
Okay. No. Okay. I'll sweep on to the next bit then. Next time. Alright. So tell me exactly what time you normally want to stop at. 6 o'clock. What time? Right.
Oh no, it's already it's midnight. Like you said.
Yeah, but what time do you want me to stop? What time?
Wait. A possible trade was around here because he was.
Sorry, yeah. Let me just add that on. My bad.
Around here.
Yes.
Because he was bouncing, and like he was telling, I don't remember, but he was calling it some energy trade, I think, if I remember right. Like it was
Comics.
breaking. What?
Comics, is that what he calls it? I know that's something that he talks about. Is that what it is?
Comex is the cold.
Open of, yeah.
Because the America metal, the open market open.
Yeah, I know that bit. Yeah, that's not it, is it? That's not what he's talking about.
It's not.
Okay,
it's for
cool.
gold.
Okay, cool.
Like it was spawned here.
Yes.
Then it was
obviously shorts, and you might have taken profits around this level, I'm guessing, or somewhat. Okay, cool. All right, let's actually do a live one. Okay, let's actually do a live one without doing the whole like, oh, I would have sold here, I could have sold here. Okay, let's do actual live. So we'll take it step by step. What time do you normally start trading or start looking at the charts?
Well, most in 7.
7 o'clock.
7 I start
Okay,
looking
7
short.
o'clock. Okay, 7 o'clock. We'll go to 7. Well, let's mark it on so we don't miss it. That didn't work. That's a bit weird. Is it because... There we go. Cool.
Oh, shit.
Okay, cool. We're at 7 now. We'll delete all. Okay, cool. What are you looking at right now? 7 o'clock. Just opened.
Well, at the moment I watch this because I see it's making the resistor.
Okay. Okay.
And at the moment in the sell I don't see because there maybe possibly it's going make the support area.
Okay.
But yeah, it will be risky because he had be some support here is made and here. But at the moment I see look this buy if we're gonna break the up, and because the left side is nothing, it's clear to go up.
Got you. Okay. Well, let's look at left first. Okay, there you go. So you get a full view. I don't want you to get the mistake. So here's a zoom out version. There is obviously resistance here, as you said, but it is clean to the left. Okay, so it is clean to the left, right? Okay, got you. Okay, we've clarified that. So let me just put that on here so it sticks. And there's one over here. And there's one over here.
Like you see, it's more promising and safe to buy.
Yes, it's easier to buy. Okay, cool. To be fair, this one might.
Sell have too many.
Okay, for you to enter, yeah, we'll do step by step. Okay, is this enough for you to enter?
Well, if it's closed.
Yes, it closed. Yes, it's done.
Yeah, and I'm gonna wait now the next making the lower wick and going to up.
Okay, let's zoom in. Elite man is a G, yeah, for sure, bro. All right, where your stop loss at? What's your stop loss gonna be?
Around this wick here.
Okay, cool. So this wick right here. If it decides to make a bottom wick first and then go up, right?
If it's going down and coming back to up, then I'm gonna enter.
Okay, yeah, yes. So it needs to make a bottom wick. How big of a bottom wick? It doesn't have to be accurate. Just how big in general, like.
I think somewhere near the green. I think.
Okay, somewhere near the green. Okay, cool. Okay, so if it needs to make a bottom wick first, and then it'll start go up. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, so it did make a bottom wick. It started to go up from there. Okay, so this is.
No, will be in. Enter
yes, you would be in. Okay, lovely. Oops. Did you wait? Or would you have waited for a what's it called? Would you have waited for what am I called? Close below, or would you just entered straight away?
Below the wick here.
Okay, you would have done like a sell stop. Sorry, a buy stop or something.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, nice. Okay, cool, that's good. We're now seeing his strategy, by the way. He's able to explain it now, which is good. Because and then your take profit. Let's look in the left so you guys can see. Okay, so where would you
possibly around here? I think.
Around that would overall take profit. But where are you securing profits? Where you move into stop loss and stuff?
Well, the wicks, the next candle is gonna show where will be gonna next the.
You're gonna wait for a next candle first.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Let's see how it's gonna play out.
Yes, for sure. So I've got the stop loss right there, so I'll just delete this so it's not in the screen. And then, okay, cool. I think this one works out, to be fair. Lovely stuff. At this point, you're already at break even, surely, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You secured partials. By the way, in your case, if you're able to hold this trade, obviously you'd be up almost like 1 to 2, right? So let's say you move the stops to break even. The point Yeah, at this point he closed. Yeah, for this point, I mean, this point he closed, bro. At this point he closed. You're talking about, bro. No, but okay. So he's nice trade, obviously. Yeah, very nice trade. Okay, so now we're starting to go, and you would have got tapped out for break even, but secured some partials. It wouldn't have hit overall.
Probably
take profit.
I will go back. Probably I see it coming. Probably coming down. Then I will be probably will close around here.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Take profit the last time.
Okay, cool. So it would have been a 1-2, just below 1 to 7 basically. It was a 1 to 2, so yeah, but just 1 to 7 basically. That's not bad. Decent trade. It was a perfect trade. I must have, I'm not even. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade. Let's see another candle. Let's see, bang. What were you trying to see? You would have hit take profit. If you didn't move to break even, you would have hit take profit. That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, but we don't know the future.
Yes. Let's look at another trade.
So
Indeed.
it's always possible to get to back down. So.
For sure. Okay, let's go back in. Let's go into 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock again. Yeah. Let's do that. Wow. Look at that drop. Oh my goodness. You sure you want to trade after that? Are you gonna trade after that? I'd leave the bloody thing alone, to be honest.
Probably right, some news was there.
Yeah, probably. Alright, so we're at 7 o'clock. Is there anything you see at the moment?
At the moment the support are here.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
And support are gonna be here.
Yes. Okay, so if we break above, you're looking for buys, right? Target's going to be around this zone right here. Targets for buys around this level. Targets for sells around this level, I'm guessing.
Well, the sell seeing more safety.
You think sells are better?
I think, yeah.
Fair enough. Okay. Yeah, let's zoom out again. Sorry, there you go. Yes? Yes or no?
No.
No, sells are not better.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, well let's leave your markings on there. Well, let's get it all, and what I'll do is put the markings on myself so it doesn't move around. Nope, I don't need that. I need this. Okay, cool. So yeah, you're waiting for a break above or break below, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Let's do it. Okay, break below. Now you're waiting for a break of this candle low, I'm guessing?
No, yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, break of this candle low. And a stop loss above this candle or this candle. Which one? That one. Cool.
Yep.
It's going to be another good trade, to be fair. Let's give you that leeway. A few pips of leeway. Our first target down here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's fair enough. It doesn't always have to be a 1-to-1, by the way. And overall target, can we say around this level or around this level? Which, let's look at this. Let's look at this. And you can tell me where you think it's going to be. Where would you put your targets at? Remember, your entry is around this this level, I think. If I don't recall right.
Well, probably I see resist around here.
Around that level, okay. That's
yep.
Crap. Let me go over here.
6,600.
So 6,600. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
6,600. Cool. 6,600. That's unfortunate because that's
here.
Where? Okay. 6,600. Okay, I was looking at it wrong. Okay, 6,600. Sorry, my bad. 6,600. Decent trade. Okay, cool. So we're gonna enter obviously sell limit when price breaks below this level, but it has to make a top wick first, right? Can't just be a straight. Okay, cool. Okay, hasn't entered. No entry yet. Are you gonna move a stop loss?
No enter.
No entry, but so you're not gonna enter at all. That's it. Trades invalid.
Yep.
Okay, cool. Delete that. Cool. Whatever. It would have worked out, mate. I mean, you could have made a decent little trade there if you just move your stop loss a little bit higher, but whatever. Right, move on to the next. It was a bit weird though because there was news everywhere, so it wasn't a fair test. That was not a fair test. Yeah, to be fair, I still would have taken the trade if I was trading his strategy, but he's the boss to this one. You can't. Told you, you should have hopped on the call, then you could have corrected it, man. What are you doing?
Yeah, no, come.
Yeah, Nu. You can't be talking all brave if you're just in the chat there. You can't talk at all. All right. So, do you see anything that you like or no?
Well,
Nice.
for a moment,
For the moment, not. Okay, cool.
possibly the only top here,
Cool.
but other way no.
Okay, let's look at anything at the top. It is clean traffic to the top. This is the target, so I'll mark that out as well. I'll mark this target out for you.
It seems like this one is too taking the super
Yes,
support.
And then, overall target there. I'm gonna say there as well because I see a major level, just in case.
Yep.
I'm just giving you a helping hand. Helping hand here.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Next up, we have. Oh, we broke. Okay. Well. Oh, goddamn. What happens now? I need to collaborate with Elite Man within his strat. Yeah, for sure, bro. He's a master of Roger Bank strategy, man. All right. And then after this, what happens? That's it. Nothing, because it didn't really form proper support. I mean resistance. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So we're just gonna leave that one for a bit. Okay, I'm missing too many trades out here, bro. Missing too many trades. What's going on? Now, I reckon you would have taken that. I can't lie. If it given enough chance during live market, I think you could have taken that.
Probably. Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't major. It wasn't major support or resistance at that zone, but it was major resistance at the fact that it was this high as well. I reckon you would have seen that and taken that, But we'll go to the next day. Unless we see something else. Tell me if you see something else. No, there's nothing to see here, bro. There is nothing to see here. So I hate GJ because it does this all the time. It's like, it's either consolidation or leaves you behind. No in between. No, that's all. Okay, cool. We're now at 12:45. Let's go into 7 o'clock, which is around... keep going. Perfect. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. 7:45. That works. Oh, I actually missed your trade there because I think you would have taken a buy around here, no? Yes. Cap, you would have taken a buy right there, bro.
Yeah.
You haven't done that in a while.
Here.
Oh, okay, well... Sorry, I didn't know you were going to take that buy. Because normally you only use clear support and resistance. You don't use this minor support resistance. You only go for this one. Or this one. The time I went over, right, is finally he saw... Come on, bro. Okay, fine. My fault. I apologize.
Because I'm not used to doing this one, what you're doing. Because I'm mostly in live, so...
Don't matter, bro. Don't matter. You should be able to do it in backtest too. Alright, okay. Nah, I'll count that. Okay, I'll count that as a good win for you. Although I am a bit suspicious now that you did that. As soon as I missed the bloody over, I went too far one time. You finally saw a nice trade. I don't know, man. A bit speculative over here, but all right. I won't go far this time. I'll stay in my lane here. Over here, go 7 o'clock. We have 15 more minutes, boys, of this, and I know we're done. Okay. Okay, cool. We're at 7 o'clock. What do we do now? London Open. Please tell me you didn't just take a trade right now.
Probably mostly at moment you're gonna see here.
Yes.
And possibly this, but yeah.
Okay, let's look in the left. So yeah, clean to the left, right? Clean to the left. To the top one, that one. Would you say that's clean though?
Well, it's going to become the support area.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right, let me mark that on for you. SR flip over there, and we also have a decent little major support over here. It's 7 London Open, yeah, this time zone. It's not, it's just before, so it's like 4 hours before, isn't it?
No, 10 open in this time. So.
Yeah, so this is like way before London Open, so I'm actually missing out a lot of trades. JP's here, bro. JP, you're like hella late. Alright, cool. So now we're at this zone, we're at that zone. Okay, nice.
Yep.
Look for either a break above or break below. Which one would you prefer, above or below?
I think the above.
Oh, JV's the above one. Okay, well, I think you're not getting that today. Let's see.
Yep.
Okay, we've broken below. Is that enough or no?
Go more.
Go a little bit more.
A little slower.
Well, there was no slower. That was the slowest I can go, mate.
Well, possibly, yeah, it will be sell because if he, like I was tell, he was make small wick,
Right.
and he was coming back. Then he was coming back to
Okay.
break
Okay.
this, and you will enter the sell.
Right, and you would have been out of that. That would have been a nice sell, okay. But it did make a little tiny top wick at the end, at the start. So let me show you again how it worked. Okay, so let's go back into here, and then it does make a top wick first. You can see it made a top wick first, and then we put it down. And
Where
back
he
up
was made top wick.
Yes, it did make.
And he was coming back down.
Yes. So that would have been a trade. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Nice trade. You would have taken out, break even profits, whatever around the zone. It was.
Yeah, probably around there. I will
Teshin
get
got
out.
dragged by this trap. That would have been a 20 pip trade. So beautiful trade.
Yep.
Okay, let's move on to the next. We'll go on to 10 o'clock. So that was just before London Open. If not, yeah, it was after London Open. So that was London Open 45 minutes after. Not bad. Oh, missed this bloody trade. Oh, and then he would have faked you out. This is GJ annoying, by the way. It just shows GJ, what the hell is that? What, 30 pips? And then decided to go like, actually, I don't want to go there anymore. Okay, then. Whatever. Alright. It is what it is, GJ. Let me just close this.
Indeed.
Alright, next. Let's continue. Let's see if you find any trades at all. Tell me to stop if you find a trade. See, this is... So would you not have taken this one right here? Because you seem to be using minor support as well, minor resistance. And it's clean traffic as well. Don't get me wrong, it's clean traffic. So this would have been a buy for you, no?
Yeah.
It would have been.
Yep.
But he did.
Possible, yep.
Okay, but you didn't mention it. No, come on now, bro. Mention these trades, bro. I want to know these trades.
But,
Yes.
Mark,
Yes.
he have too big wick, and it will be...
Right.
Stop loss will become here, so it will be...
Would it be not worth it? Okay.
Yeah, and like you see, it's only... Like, we'll take profit here, so...
Yes.
Like, I really don't want to take this.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, it's possible. If you're risky, you would take it. But if you're not risky, if you're not desperate for cash, you wouldn't take that. Okay, got you. Fair enough. Clear my drawings, clear all drawings, and then clear all my drawings on this one. Cool. And then let's move on to the next one. We'll do the last one here, boys, I think. Last little... So I'll go just before 7. There we go. Do you see anything yet that you might want pre-London?
At the moment it's 3 p.m. 3 a.m.
So you want to be trading, you won't take it at all because you're sleeping.
Yeah, I will sleep.
Good. At least you're being honest with me. Alright, cool. Around here, it's 5 o'clock. No, 3:30, so you're still sleeping or jogging.
Yeah.
I don't know which one or the other, mate.
7.
7 o'clock, okay.
Always 7.
You don't take anything before 7 at all, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool, okay. That's fair, okay. Alright, 7:45, there you go. Where was 7? 7 was there. Obviously, he's going to make a bloody trade, wasn't he? Jesus. Okay, well, you saw what happens. There you go. Please analyze accordingly. Went too far again. Because it would actually been a good trade. And I actually saw him would have taken that trade, to be honest. But carry on. What would you have done?
Well, at the moment, I will watch... like I see here.
Yes.
And at the moment here.
Yes.
So I will wait how... What's the next candle gonna do? It's going to up or it's going down.
Okay.
If it's going down and break here,
okay,
then I will take sell.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. I know that was in hindsight, boys and girls, but you know what? That was my fault again. I said it wouldn't happen again. It did happen again, so that's my fault, not Elite Man's. All right, cool. So you would have taken a sell straight away, or would have waited for a close first?
Well, I will wait. If it's break and take sell somewhere around here.
Sell limit. Sell stop, sorry. Sell stop.
Yeah, sell stop.
Okay, so why is this one a sell stop and not wait for a break below?
Because like we see, it was huge drop. Then was come pull back. This is should be this has come back and will continue.
Got you. So it's range 2. Okay, it's range 2. This is range 1. This is range 2. Okay, cool. Okay.
If it's break this, it's continue. Then
right.
Continue.
Okay.
If not, if it's going back here, so then it's fast.
Got you. Because it already broke this major support over here created. This is now the breakout candle you're talking about. Now we're waiting for a breakdown below this candle. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, cool. But you do end up winning this trade. Where's your take profit?
Possibly around here.
Okay, cool. I'll mark that on. A deal's trade? Oh, nothing. A deal just hasn't been on. That's why we were asking ourselves, why is he not on? Is it because of this? Is it because of that? That's your so short. Okay, where's your stop loss? Where's the stop loss?
Around. If it's going down, then probably around here, the green.
Yeah, bullshit, mate.
Yeah, around there.
You use previous candle, man. You don't even use current candle. But anyways, carry on. Okay, fine. And you would have won the trade. How would you? Did we know that was gonna happen? Oh wow.
I don't know.
Wow. It's not like we saw that coming.
Yeah.
That's my fault. So fair enough. WWWW. That's W's in the chats, bro. Best trade, yeah. That is a solid trade, and that one I 100% agree that you would have taken because I saw that coming when I went forward. I was like, God damn it, there's an actual good trade there. So quick explanation of what he was trying to say, right? Exactly the same strategy as he did previously, but he's using this range and this high. Okay, so this high being the major resistance, this low being the major support, but this high isn't very important at the moment, so we can just disregard it. Okay, so we created major support over here. I don't know why it's a major support for him. Maybe because of SR flip, because it's stalled. I don't know.
Because this is only support, like you see. And like you see, big wick was coming back down and going back up.
What big wick?
Yep.
Which one? Which big wick? Explain, please. Which one?
This big candle coming back
big
down
candle. Okay,
and going
wick.
back up.
Okay, so that's why. Okay, so there's clearly people looking at this area. Okay, cool. Fair enough. Okay, and then we did end up breaking below. So now this breakout below, obviously, well, we didn't finish below, but next candle we do finish below. So now this is the obviously the candle he was waiting for. Normally, like for example, like the other trades, right, where he was waiting for a breakout below. This is the breakout below. So now we are creating obviously that candle over here. Range 2, call it. So this is range 1. We broke out of range 1. Now we are at range 2. All we have to do now is break out of range 2, which is this low right here. And then we could be looking for a clean sell back down below. So let's look at how it works, obviously. So we mark out this level right here. If you start to break out below, but first what we need to do is obviously we need to create a top wick, right? We need to create a bullish like pullback first, and then we wait for a breakout back down below, right? But let's say the bullish candle didn't happen, right? Let's say all it did was, instead of being a bullish candle, what it did was it pushed up first, so it made a top wick first, and then it broke the lows. Would you still take the trade then?
You mean if he was coming to up, and if he come back down and break this area here?
Yes.
Then I will take sell.
You would still take the sell. It didn't need to finish bullish. It didn't need to do that. It just so happened to
just bullish. Make a small the.
Okay. It just need to make a small top wick, then drive. Okay, cool.
Yep.
But okay, cool. Let's look into that. Next, obviously, again, it finished below, so this is technically, I guess, the top wick that he was talking about. So now he moved his stop loss from this high to this high now. That's why his stop loss wasn't here. It's now here because it finished above. Cool. But it didn't finish back into the range, so it's still valid, right? That's what you're saying. Okay, cool. And then now, once we break these lows right here, now we can start driving back down below. And here we go. Let's see. And, of course, it works out. Of course. There you go. There's a Raja Bank strategy for you guys if you guys want to take it away. It should be hopefully quite easy to understand, quite easy to start testing as well. The only thing that you guys are probably, like, everyone needs practice on, I guess, is like drawing support and resistance lines and knowing where to draw them. Again, that's probably one of the hardest parts of the strategy. The rest I would say is probably basic. Waiting for a candle below to finish in that line, but you obviously have to understand which is the actual, ones you should be looking for. For example, like, would you use this as a major resistance at the time for a breakout trade to the upside? Yes or no? So I'm actually just delete all my drawings here. Elite man?
Well, yeah, because you see what he was making here, the support.
Yeah.
So he was pounding here. So, like you see, the left is clear. So then if you're gonna break this wick here, and probably you're gonna enter here.
I don't believe that would be the case, but if you say so, I believe you.
Yeah.
I believe
around there.
Again, I don't know if you would have taken it, because normally you wait for a break above, but there has been no break above, unless you can say this one is a break above, right?
You see, it was just pounding there, and like it was still the will be energy enter. So, like you see, it's empty clear here. Mostly.
Clear here.
Yeah.
Oh, if it's proper clear, then you're okay to take impulsive
Yeah,
trades.
like
okay,
here it's
cool.
only.
Well,
Yeah.
okay, maybe it's a little bit more complex than I thought it was then, because I wouldn't have. I'd be a bit confused. I'd have been like, what? But fair enough. Okay, I guess there's more to it than I originally thought. Fair enough, Raja, for creating such an amazing strategy. Good on you, mate. Clearly, spending 6 years in the market definitely helped. Or I don't know how long he's been in the market, actually. But yeah, fair enough. There you go. I guess what we learned today is that Elite Man proved me wrong, and his strategy does 100% work, and Raja Banks does work. So there you go. There you go. I'm okay to admit when I'm wrong, boys. Suck it up. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I knew it worked, by the way. I always knew it worked. I always knew it worked, but I just can't accept it. Can't accept it. But no, it's good though. You did show a few good trades in there. No losing trades actually. Whether that's because it's back testing, I made a few mistakes, or because he's just really good at Raja Bags, I'm not too sure.
Well, I'm not used to about these back tests, so.
Well, you need to get used to it, bro.
Because I can't use that. That's why.
Start using it, bro. Start using it on a daily even. Just get some practice it. Practice it.
Of course, I will use backtest if I can do this too. Like it's just.
You use my software, bro. Go. I'll do a Zoom call, yeah, and you can just take my screen away, mate, if you want. So you can backtest. You get a trade every day. I'm pretty sure he does.
Yep.
Okay, let's go into Eurodollar now. See what's happening. Oh, okay, it pulled back. Oh, you know that level I said not to worry about? Yeah, well, to start worrying about it apparently, because it doesn't go straight into the zone I wanted to. It did reject this level right here, which is quite annoying. Oh well, decent trade on Eurodollar. Yeah, still waiting for it to reach the daily. Once daily is hit, by the way, I will be moving. Well, not moving. I'll be securing more partials and then leaving the rest to run to around this zone. 1.80 was tapped perfectly as New predicted. You can see to the pip right there. Lovely stuff, New. Smashed it. Smashed it, New. JP, to answer your question, I think I already answered it, but basically a deal has not been on the call the whole day, and that's why we were wondering, oh, what the hell happened to a deal? Where is he? Where's he gone? So that's why. So we were just doing a bet on, okay, so what happened with him, whether he missed a trade or he took an L or took a W. Adil's crying. Bro, I don't know if he is or not, man, but all I hope is he's good with his FTMO. That's all I'm hoping, man. He should be good with his FTMO. But yeah. I'll message him. I'll check up on him. Don't worry, boys. I'm sure he'll be fine. I think he's just been quiet today. You get in.
But don't forget to put the time back right. The TV.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
UTC, New York. We'll go to New York for day. Yeah. But yeah, that will be the end of the stream today, boys. That is, unfortunately, nothing spectacular happened today. Obviously, we saw Elite's Man strategy finally. That's the one thing, so we now know his strategy. That second thing is you guys got to see a little bit of my intuition and how I trade the higher time frames. There you go. Next thing is we found out that I can actually trade platinum. So I might start trading platinum. Who knows? But yeah, appreciate you all for coming down, man. I hope I see you all tomorrow again. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.